A spousal abuse case will be in the spotlight this week at the Gaston County Courthouse.
Charles Eubanks is on trial, accused of trying to kill his wife with an unusual weapon. Fox 46's chief legal correspondent Seema Iyer joins us live this morning from the Gaston County Courthouse to preview our gavel-to-gavel coverage of the trial.
Seema, first of all, it's great to have you back on Good Day Charlotte. It's been a while. Always a pleasure to get your expert.
It's taken this long.
Listen, we've been ready for you to be on here for quite some time. This is good, and this is not just today, Seema. But what is it about this this trial that is bringing so much attention?
I think the first thing is it's about domestic abuse, and there isn't any of us who haven't been touched by this, whether it's a family or a friend or, heaven forbid, yourself. So I think that brings a lot of attention to the case in general. And of course, specifically, Jace, it is the hammer. When you use, as Wyatt just said, such an unusual weapon, there is this salacious quality, and it attracts attention, and you want to learn more, you want to see more, you want to be inside the courtroom and get a visual of that hammer. And of course, Fox 46 is going to give you that, guys.
Seema, what happens today? I'd imagine there'll be some back and forth. Will we have a jury seated?
I think that's what Judge Phillips is hoping for, Ann Wyatt. The morning will begin with some preliminary matters. Lawyers always have to fight about things like what comes into evidence and what can I object to and what can I not object to and what can we argue about in front of the jury or in chambers. So that should be some of the day. Then the judge is expecting to seat an entire jury today, which can be an incredible feat because, again, you're asking jurors all of these really personal questions, which often can be tough. And Wyatt?
Is that something, Seema, that can that be done in one day? I feel like we've seen national cases before where it's taken days and weeks, and they get part of the jury filled, but they weren't able to select the entire jury. Could that go on for days?
Well, the judge seems to think so, and I think from my observation of how things run in this courthouse in Gaston County, it's super efficient, and I think the judge is going to streamline it, that it could happen within the next few hours. And I also think because of the pandemic, jurors are more apt to be a part of the process. They want to do their civic duty. They want to sit on this jury. And the bottom line is they're going to tell the lawyers that they can be both fair and impartial. Guys?
All right. Well, Seema, listen, we are looking forward to it. This is just a taste of the preview of what we're going to see throughout the day, but really what we're going to see throughout the week. I can't wait to find out more because you're going to be transcribing and real-time tweeting about this. So we're really looking forward to diving into this. Seema, thanks for being on this morning, and we'll find out more throughout the day what's going on. Catch up with you tomorrow.
And be sure to tune in all week long on Fox 46 and follow along with Seema Iyer and the trial of Charles Eubanks. Watch for daily previews on Good Day Charlotte and at noon with live wraps up at 5:30. She'll also be providing in-the-moment live coverage on our Fox 46 digital platforms.